really good for any respiratory problems. I'm just going to show you briefly how to mix essential oils and then how you can massage that into the body. So I'm going to use my new vegan balm that I'm going to demonstrate with. You just want like a little pot or a little jar, anything like that that you can mix the essential oils in. I'm going to be using a spoon as well because I think it's easier to average out measurements. So with a spoon, you can, it's roughly around 4 to 5 grams on the spoon. So let's work with 5 grams. So you just take a spoon of your oil. So let's say, for example, you just wanted to use a fat oil, so like olive oil, anything like that. And you just want quite like a heaped spoon. Put that in there. So if you were using an olive oil, then you'd pour it onto the spoon in the same way, but I'm obviously just using a higher fat based product and massage balm, so it's like easier to maneuver. So that's then why. So let's go with just 1 spoonful at the moment. So that's 5 grams. So we only really want to mix 1 essential oil drop with our 5 grams. Just going to put my mix of essential oil. It can come out quite quick. And then it's really good to just use a spatula or the spoon if you wanted to. And you can just mix that essential oil into the balm. And you'll notice that even though it's 1 drop, you can get a really nice smell still. You'll start to see there, we've only mixed a little bit, but it smells fantastic. It's a shame on Instagram I can't get you smelling the oils because they really do smell nice. So then now you've mixed your essential oil, you can use this as a hand cream. I think it's been so lovely recently, like for me to have my massage balm and to be able to make my own products, because I need it even more so after using all the hand sanitizer on your hands and constantly washing your hands. You know, I feel that my hands feel really dry, so it's lovely just to soak my hands. I often soak my hands and my feet before bedtime. So yeah, you can use this as a general moisturizer. Now, because we've got the properties that help the respiratory, we've got the respiratory benefits, we can use a little bit of this oil as well, just to rub into our chest and in our neck, just to keep that area protected. And it's really good as well to rub it into the soles of your feet, and that can have really good benefit in inhalation as well. So you would use each of the oils in the same way. So say, for example, you decided that you wanted to use calming on your skin, or you wanted to use harming on your skin. Just one spoonful of oil with 1 drop of essential oil, and then you'll be able to use that product safely on your skin. So I hope you've enjoyed that little demonstration of how to use essential oils safely. Like I say, you can go to my website for more information on each of the benefits of each of the oils. There's normally around 40 benefits per essential oil, so it's really difficult to describe all of them to you on this short video, but hopefully it gives you a better insight. And I really hope that you can bring essential oils. I think it's fantastic to have them in the cupboard like you would your paracetamol or your tablets, like say flu tablets for example. It's really good to keep them in the medicine cupboard and then just use them as and when you need them. You know, use them to inhale, use them on your skin, because I think it can be really beneficial. Okay, enjoy the rest of your day guys, and I'll catch up with you in a bit.